So I haven't had a whole lot of time to really make videos and talk about what I'm doing with the Suzuki or what I want to do with it. But today I want to try, I've done a whole lot of things, and I've been in the process of recovering the title, which is what has taken me so long recently. Um, she's really close to being road ready. We've got new tires on her and a few other things done. The front brake is sticking. So I bought a rebuild kit, and I'm going to take it apart tonight and try and fix it. I'm going to change the oil tonight in the oil filter, and I'm going to rejet the carburetor. So I'm going to record as much of it as I can. I may not talk through all of it, but I'm going to record as much as I can. It's not too bad. The last time I've only changed this oil once since I bought this bike, and this bike sat for between 10 and 6 years, I believe, up against a tree, and then fell over at one point in time. But I'll never know for sure. I got the carburetors off the bike. By we, I mean me. The throttle cable was giving me a little trouble, and then the actual gas line itself, right there, that hanging tube, was giving me some trouble. But they're off now. I'm going to go rejet them, and I will try and share as much of that as possible. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off these fuel plugs on the bottom. When you take these off, gas comes out. So these are going to be the main jets, and then below that there's a pilot jet. So we need to take these caps off. Alright, so right now I am trying to rebuild the brakes. So, what I'm doing to make the piston come out here, and I'll do my best to do everything at once here. I'm just pushing the brake. Oh my gosh. There we go. I'm just pushing the brake pedal, or the brake whatchamacallit, lever. I'm trying to get it to pop out, and we'll see if I can get enough juice in there. I think I might have run out of fluid in there. Wow. BRB. Okay, so I've got the piston about that far out. I'm going to see what else I can do. Just keep pumping. Oh, and I made a mess. That's okay. Fully intended for that to happen, but we got the old piston out. And it doesn't, it's a little rusty, but I don't know why it wasn't moving before. Oh, I know why it wasn't moving before. I'm going to take this guy off the actual brake line now, and I'll be right back. Now we actually have the caliper off the bike. So I'm going, whoa, focus. I'm going to get these seals out of here. There's one inside there too. And I'm gonna clean the inside of this. So while I was pulling these O-rings out, this one's the one that actuates the actual cylinder. And I just want you to see how much crap is on this thing on its way out. It's literally stuck in there, like, it's making noise as I'm pulling it out. Did you hear that? That was the O-ring.